guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my minimalistic makeup routine look. If you guys want to see what I use on my face to get that minimal look, please keep on watching. I'm going to start off with putting a moisturizer on my face just to make sure that whenever I put makeup on, it'll go on nice and smooth and it'll just all come in together. I'm going to go ahead and also moisturize my lips to make sure they're nice and smooth. The first thing I do in my routine is put on concealer. I'm going to apply the concealer under my eyes as well as any imperfection areas that need to be covered up. With this brush, I'm going to go ahead and just buff the concealer all over my under eyes and anywhere that I applied the concealer, and just make sure that everything is blended smoothly. I'm going to apply this matte setting powder all over where I put the concealer at, just so that everything can stay in place and look very nice. Now for eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead, and what I usually do is just go ahead and outline the eyebrow shape and just make it look as natural as possible. I don't really like a strictly square look, if that makes sense. To make sure my brows stay in place, I'm going to apply the brow gel all over my eyebrows and just give it that fluffy, natural look. With my eyelash curler, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and make them super long and super pretty. Onto mascara, I'm going to go ahead and get all the little excess clumps out of the mascara and start applying the mascara to make my lashes long and beautiful. Wow, look at me, so cute. I have this stick highlight that I'm going to use as my highlighter, and I like to use this specifically when I want a natural looking makeup look, and it really just completes it off really nicely. Merit Beauty was very kind enough to gift me their new signature lightweight lipstick. Can we just take a moment to look how beautiful this bag is? It's so pretty. Merit is a clean, cruelty-free vegan brand. I personally love that their packaging is made out of recycled materials. It's just very unique and very sustainable for the planet. I adore the packaging on the lipsticks. It is so beautiful. I picked two shades. So the first shade that I'm going to show you guys is Baby. Baby is very much like a nudish pink lipstick, and it's very smooth, as well as Millennial for the second lipstick. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the lipsticks for you guys so you can see how they look. On the top is Baby and on the bottom is Millennial, and honestly, they're perfect. Leave a comment down below which lipstick I should wear for this outfit. I'm gonna try on Baby just to show you guys both shades. So here I am putting Baby on my lips. It is so gorgeous and it just matches my skin so well, and it's just so perfect. Next, the second shade I'm going to try is Millennial. Merit Beauty's lipstick is very lightweight, buildable, and gives off a satin finish. I love that it's just so natural to my actual lip shade because I barely wear makeup as it is. So it's just a really nice touch of something when I want to elevate a very simple makeup look. To finish this look off, I'm going to go ahead and spray my whole face, and now this look is fully completed. Merit's new lightweight signature lipstick launches today. If you would like to see all the different shades that Merit has on their website, please click the link in my description so you can see more shades. Thank you so much to Merit for gifting me these lipsticks. If you guys like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!